Okay, I'm recording it, so let's do a review for the SBAC. Question 1, determine whether each equation is true for all value of x. Can someone tell me what does it mean? See, right on the first question, the way they're asking is not the way that we usually use on every lessons. What does it mean when the equation is true for all value of x? Right. What does it mean then? Then what kind of solution is that? Let's give already 1 point. Yes. The way they're asking like this, that's mean asking which equation has infinitely many solutions. Why? Because no matter what value you put it in, you still get a true statement. Okay. So let's review a little bit about no solution, infinitely solution. So when solving, all right. How do you know when it is no solution? When you get back a false statement. If you solve them everything, and then you get eventually get something wrong, like 3 equal to 2, something, for example. Yeah, so that's like you get a false statement back. That means show a solution. No matter what number of x you put it in, you still get false. Okay. How do you know if a one solution? Yeah, it's x equal to something, but you have a specific value of x equal to something. Okay. How do you know when it is infinitely many solution? Right. Exactly. Good. So when you have after you solve it, you have a true statement. That means true statement means left hand side and right hand side equal to each other. Okay. Maybe you can write true statement. Left hand side equal to right hand side. Okay. So false statement is left hand side not equal to the right hand side. Like this. Okay. For example, you can get like 3 equal to 3. That's a true statement. Okay. Now look at this 4 A, B, C, D. Which one you think is going to give you infinitely many solution? In other words, which one going to give you the same as the left and the right hand side? Left hand side equal to the right hand side. Which one? Let's take a look on one by one. A. Yes or no? How do you know it's no? Good answer. Okay. It is no. It is no. No, no, because the left side is not equal to the right side. 6x equal to 2 cube x. Okay. Now let's talk about the right side. What is the other way you can write this? Yeah. What is 2 to the power 3x equal to? How do you know it's ax? The other way you can write it like this. All right, can you answer here, everybody? Yeah. This is a review for your SBAC. Remember, you need to improve your score. You cannot be lower than what you did before, okay? So actually, this is also a review for you for the final. Everything here is also the same topic we want to have on final, okay? So it's good reviewing. 2 to the power 3x is, if I really want to rewrite it, it's going to be 2 cubed to the power x. Do you agree? Because we multiply the power to power, right? Whenever you see 2 power, you multiply each other. So I have 6x equal to a to power x. Is the right side and the left side equal to each other? No, that's mean the answer is no. Because what I want is infinitely many solution. That means I want the left hand side equal to the right hand side. Okay. All right, B, yes or no? Why is it yes? Because it equal, right? If you want to rewrite it, it's going to be 9x equal to 3 square to the x, and 3 square is 9. So 9x equal to 9x. Left hand side equal to right hand side. Yes. C. Yes. Yes, because 2 to the power 4 is 16. This is 16. Yeah, so like 16x equal to 16x. No. Yeah. Last one, for sure, right? 5 square is 25, but 5 to the fifth power is 32. So then they're not equal to the same thing. Okay. Yeah. So the answer is yeah, no, yes, yes, no. Maybe. All right. Number 2. You see how they asking? Select the expression that equivalent to. In my question, I just say simplify it. For example, okay. So select the expression equivalent to. That means you can sometimes you simplify or you expand it. Either way. Okay, 2 term. What you gonna do when you have 2 term? What is the technique? Already I forgot if Leilani, Irma, and Valerie 1 point. Okay. A. Close. Close. You get there. You get a point. Okay. First, I know you all got this. So 2 term. We want to use what strategy? Formula, right? 2 term formula. Factoring. This is a factoring. So what kind of factoring is this? What kind of formula is this? A square minus b square, or a cube minus b cube, or a minus b cube. That's all formula we have here. The first one. What is a square minus b square? A minus b. So when you see the square, you can ignore it. Okay, you can ignore it. You copy exactly the same thing into the one parenthesis. A plus b. Okay. So, oh, I don't see all the square here. I see the n square, I see the m square, but the 121 is not square yet. You need to get all of them square. So 121. What is the another way you can write 121 as something square? 11 square. So n square minus 11 square m square. Good. Good job. You're gonna give Alan 1 point. Now, how do you apply this? How do you apply this formula? Ignore the square. Copy exactly the same on the first one. How about the second one? Plus. So n plus 11m. One more, Sabrina. Easy, right? Just plus 1 point. Yeah? So which one is the answer? A, B, C, D? B. See, the way they're asking a little bit different. That's why we should talk about this. Okay, I know for sure you know how to do it, but you don't know what they're asking. That's the thing. And that's very pity. The change is going to be 25%, right? Okay. All right. 3. Same thing. I'm going to let you figure out. What is that? A, B, C, D? C. If you want to write it as square, it's going to be 5 square x square minus 7 square. So 5x minus 7, 5x plus 7. Okay. So there we go. All right. 4. How do you know it's D? Like you 2 times x, 2 times 3? Yeah. So I multiply first. You need to take care of the parenthesis. Yeah, first, and power first. What is x plus x minus 3 squared? Is it become x squared minus 9? Gary? No, right? This is not. You need to do FOIL. Okay. Even more for Gary. This is not. Remember, you need to multiply by itself. Or if you remember the formula, Did you remember the formula a minus b square equal to a square? Oh, who remember? Did you raise your hand? A minus b square. What is the formula? A square minus 2ab b square. Okay, give Fernando 1 point. Yeah, sure. All right. Okay, so using that for this x minus 3, what do you have? What do you have inside? X square minus what? 6x plus.
Isn't it supposed to be always positive?
Always positive. Plus 9. 3 square. Okay. Who say A? Who say B? Who say C? I heard a lot of you say C though. Who say E? Who say D? Oh yeah, I heard a lot of you say D. Is it D? No, it's very tricky. Why D is not correct?
Plus 6.
It should, well, but if they make this one equal to negative, it should be also correct. Because they say the equivalent. Equivalent a little bit different. They not need to be simplified, they need to be the same. So if they change the D into like 2x squared minus 6x, it's also correct. Okay. The wrong thing here is because they put plus. So the answer is E. Okay. Oh, let's see. Let's see who remembered this. All right, Donovan, let's go. Okay, I know. Never mind. X equal to 7. X equal to. Is it easy? What is it called? Solution. Also, what does it mean? Okay. Solution also means we talk about this. I wrote it on the board. Remember.
Wait, what?
X-intercept. There we go. Intercept. What else? Also, zeros. Yeah. Yeah. Let's give Irma 1 point. Y-intercept. You say X. What X?
I said zeros too, though.
Oh, 0. Okay, sure. Okay, let's give Louis 1 point. Okay, now then okay, let's check from that information. You already knew that AB is not correct, right? Okay, you say, oh, X is -5, so it's not. What is X-intercept? Intercept here is 7 and -2. So this is also wrong. Now, Y-intercept. How do you know what is Y-intercept? All right, take 1 point off. Just kidding. Y-intercept. Who remember? Just random word.
Oh wait, you heard.
All right, you need to distribute first. You cannot you cannot see the Y-intercept unless you know that you are Y. Okay, let me write for you. Okay. So -5x. Okay. If you change it, it's gonna be like this. Which one is Y-intercept? So you only have 2 answers here, right? Who say the Y-intercept is -5? Who say the okay, we have 1. Who say the Y-intercept is -14? You two? You raise for both? Okay. Yes, it is -14. Remember, Y-intercept is the number by itself. Okay, it's the number by itself. Y-intercept, it's number by itself. Huh? You know why the number by itself is the Y-intercept? Y-intercept, that means X equal to Y-intercept, that means the point on the Y-axis, right? The point on the Y-axis, that means X equal to
Why?
The point on the y-axis is here. That's y-intercept. What is the value of the x for this point?
Oh, 0.
0. Okay. So when you plug in 0 into the x, this gone, this gone. That's why this is the y-intercept. If you understand, maybe you memorize more. So the answer is D. All right. Maybe I can email you this one. All right, day 2. We're gonna go up to day 3. Okay. All right. Select the expression that equivalent again. All right. How are we gonna do this? Don't know what. Let's go. A, B, C, D. Huh? Yeah. It's gonna replace the homework. Did I tell you about unit 9? I think I taught in the beginning, but some of you wasn't here. Okay. For unit 9, because we have the SBAC, because we have the final, I'm going to modify the unit 9. We're not gonna go like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay. I will only select the good lesson that I think is helpful for you for the calculus. Maybe D and then G, and then I'll pick a little bit on the unit 10. Like I try to select lesson. Okay. So we won't have unit test, but we have the final. Okay. I know. Thank you.
I know because she answered my question.
Yeah. If you point, I'm gonna take one off from Leland. Yeah, that's fair, right? That's fair, right? No. Okay. That's pretty fair, right? Yeah.
No.
Okay. But the bad news is Leland doesn't have any point.
I don't have it.
All right. Okay. Let's look at day 2. Select the expression that is equivalent to this. What is a strategy? One thing. Okay. You know what is the one thing is good about a multiple choice? You don't go again. What? Well, technically yes, but I don't encourage you that. Okay. What is one good benefit about multiple choice? Yes, you can cross out the wrong answer. You can also check the answer. They give you they basically give you 4 answers. You can just check one by one. If you don't know how to do it, that's the benefit. Okay. Well, but look at this. You can do this one. This is the group 1. I'm going to give you the hint. This is group 2. All right, that's the hint. Does that help? Okay, no, never mind. Okay. What is the common factor for these two groups?
3 and X.
Keep saying it. I haven't heard the group one. Yes.
2.
Look at this is the first group. This is the second group. What is the common factor for these two groups?
3.
Keep saying. Keep saying. Just random.
There's a negative.
Huh? Swear. I think I heard someone give me your home address too, like just random thing. My home address, my phone number. Boyo. All right. Okay. Stop random thing. Okay. Look at the group 1. Group 1, you have x plus 6. Group 2, you also have x plus 6. Did anyone say that? You said x. You said 6, but you didn't say x plus 6. Yeah, x plus 6 is the common factor. Yeah, sit anyway. Sit anyway. History, AP history. We're on the day 3. Just day 2. Just look at the day 2. All right. So this is exactly the same with the grouping, but maybe put the thing in the middle. Yeah. But now the factor is x plus 6. So after you factor out x plus 6, what do you have left for the root 1? What do you have left for the root 1? Hey, Kayla.
What is that?
Welcome. That's the bucket for welcome. Welcome bucket. Here you go. Welcome. You should check the chat longer. What do you have left? Gary, give me some hope. Natalie, what do you have left for the root 1? X plus 6. X plus 6. We said that, Fernando? All right, let's give Fernando 1 point. All right, okay. Again, when you factor out, that means you divide it, okay? X plus 6 squared divided by x plus 6, that's x plus 6, okay? Remember, you factor out, that means you divide it. Okay, now root 2. What do you have left for the second root? Minus x plus, minus x minus 3. Getting? Welcome back. Let's see the bucket. Yeah. So what is the answer? A. Yeah. A. Huh? Bracket. You have the. So I remember to change it. All right, hold on. I'm gonna give you the. Okay. We're working on a day 2 right now. You to Lewis. And this one too. This is a homework. Want to the Eduardo, Carlos. I will tell you what to do. Okay, I think you get to. So the answer is A. Any question in here? Why A? Oh, this is a bracket right here. Do you know when? Okay, that's a good question. Do you know when we use the parentheses? When we use the bracket? It's just they don't want to overuse the parentheses. If they already have the parentheses here, then the outside are going to use bracket. They alternate the turns so that you don't see a lot of parentheses or you don't see a lot of bracket. That's it. Okay. So the answer is A. All right. Which it took you a while, huh? Imagine at night when he's sleeping. Oh, I got number 3 now. 9 p.m. All right. Number 2, determine which expression equivalent to x cubed plus A. 2 term. What strategy? 2 term. What? 2 term. Factoring. What strategy when you factoring 2 term? Huh? You should let you don't have any problem. Let's take point off. Thank you. Okay, hold on. This is the homework, and this is the one we're working on the SBAC right now. I will tell you what to do on the homework. All right. X cubed plus A. Okay, 2 term. Again, 3 term, we're going to using the founding combination. 4 term is grouping. Remember, grouping. 5 term, rational root theorem. About 2 term. Formula, we just did before, right? What kind of formula is this? Is that a cube or square? Cube. Do you remember how to do a cube? So yeah, make them become a cube. X cube. What cube become 8? 2 cube, right? Now you see the 2 cube already. You can ignore it. Remember this. 1 small parenthesis, 1 big parenthesis. Copy exactly the same into the small one. What is on the big one? Do you remember? X squared plus it's opposite side, so this is minus. Okay, minus 2x y plus. This is OA plus. Yes, OA plus. And 4. Yes. Good. Let's give Irma 1 point. Okay. So which one is the answer? Huh? Why the first one is not correct? Is this one? Is this one equal to together? Remember, this is a big no-no, okay? You can never distribute when you have a plus and minus here. You can only distribute for the multiplication or division, okay? So this is no, yes. I mean, what? No, yes. You see the way they're asking is different from what we're doing. That's why we need to talk about this, because I think you all know how to do this one. It's just the way they're asking a little bit confusing. Again, okay, this is good for those who just came. Determine if each equation is true for all value. What does it mean? Who already here? You already knew this, but who just came from the test? What do you think? What do they mean when they're asking you determine if each equation is true for all values of x? Huh? Infinity for the solution. What it means? Okay. True for all value of x. That means no matter what value of x you plug it in, you still get the true statement. So that means you're looking for something like left hand side equal to right hand side. That's what you're looking for. Okay. Because when left hand side equal to right hand side, no matter what value of the x you plug it in, you still get the true statement. Okay. So which one is the same? Is the first one the same? Yes or no? Sorry, like that. No. Remember, you cannot distribute the power. Okay. Second, yes or no? We say no for second one. Anybody? We're working on the day 2, question 3. My question is the second one is this. We say this one is no. All right. We say this is yes. Great. I'm glad we're talking about this. No one passed. It is yes. Now watch this.
I mean, I have my hand up
for a second and you see no one and then you put it down. All right, look at this. Why it is yes? Why the left hand side go to right hand side? Watch this. Did you see the GCF? What is the GCF here? 2. Let's factor out the 2. What do we have left? 6 divided by 2 is 3. Okay. Everything is still square. Now, this is the multiplication right here. Multiplication, you can distribute the power. So I distribute the 2 here and the 2 here. So eventually I have 2 square times x plus 3 square. 2 square is 4. So the answer is yes. Yeah, that's why. That's a good question. That's why I didn't distribute to x and 3, but I distribute to the whole thing here and the 2. Because between them is multiplication. Yeah? Because between them is multiplication. Good question though. All right. 3. Right. Yeah. What you say exactly is exactly right. Number 3, yes or no? 3, yes or no? No. No. For sure it's no. Okay. Number last one. Yes? No. Yes or no? Yes? Okay, who say yes? All right, who say no? But majority of you guys say right. This is no. Why is it? No. No, let's look at the right side. Let's look at the right side. In this form, what is it equal to? This is a minus b times a plus b equal to a square minus b square. So it should be x square minus 25, not this thing. So this answer is no. This kind of tricky, is it? Yeah. Okay, just do the last 4, 5, 6, and we can stop. Okay. The homework going to be day 3 to day 12.
Wait for the rest of us too.
Yeah. All right. I think you're clear for the test. Okay. For those who take care for the test, the homework 9B only do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 13, and 15. So you can circle it or whatever. You don't need to do the rest of them. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 13, 15. Okay. And then on the podcast of the SBAC, you want to do from day 3 to day 12. That's multiple choice. Okay. Again, your SBAC test should be improved the score, showing you learning for the whole semester. Whatever you got for last semester, if you're going down, they're going to have a question. What did you do for the whole semester? The score is just very important. This is a statewide test. Okay. It affects you yourself. It affects you your school. It affects you the teacher as well. So, but here are the things. You learn all of this already. It's just the way they're asking is different from the way we're learning. That's the thing. That's why we need to review it. Okay. It's a multiple choice, so that's not too much. Okay. Also, I cut down the homework 9B for you. Okay. 4. Can someone read it? Let's go. A bell. I want to hear one more time.
Minus 16t to the power 2 plus 40t plus 3. What is the meaning of the 3 in the question?
All right. What is the meaning of the 3 in this expression? The y-intercept, right? The y-intercept, you got it. But what did the y-intercept mean? So the y is going to be around here, right? This is up. If it upward, is it downward? Wow. They get the wrong. I mean, they have to make a mistake too. So the ball will through upward. It should be upward, right? But then they put a negative in the front. The negative in the front is downward. Wait, what did I say? This is downward. My bad. All right. Never mind. I thought it's going to upward. All right. What is the meaning of 3 here? Let's check one by one then. The ball took 3 seconds to reach the maximum height. Is it yes or no? No. The ball took 3 seconds to reach the ground. Like this one is 3. Is it or no? No. Okay. The ball was the throw from a height of 3. Yes. Right. This is y-intercept. So that's the initial value of the ball. So this is the correct answer. Whenever we're talking about a maximum and minimum, what are we talking about? Do you remember? This is a quadratic, right? So whenever you see the word minimum and maximum, what are they talking about? The vertex. Let me tell you 1 point. Vertex, right? Do you remember? Remember parabola? The highest point is the vertex. The minimum point is also the vertex. Okay. All right. Which expression? Oh, this is the same as before. Okay. Which expression equal to equivalent to this? How about this? Do on your board. I mean, what is it equal to? It's okay.
Oh my god. I think yes.
1 minute.
Yeah, I know.
Good answer.
Oh, you just said oh, shoot. Oh, wait.
Huh? All right, raise your ball, raise your ball. Keep it up.
Oh, that's how you did it.
Well, actually, I don't know.
All right, keep it up so I can get your point. Natalie, ready? Okay, Valerie and Kayla. Gary, you have a word?
Just put the yes and no.
Yeah, I know, right? You should have the answer. You should have a work too. Okay, yeah, okay, Fernando, Johanna, Donovan. You have a word? You have to show the. All right, sure, give to David. Sabrina, Alma, yeah, I need to see the word. You have a word? Luis, you have a word? All right, Carlos, yeah, one more Carlos. Okay. You show the word. Let me see, let me see. All right, so change that into something cube. 3 cube, x cube plus 2 cube, okay? 3 cube plus 2. What else? Well, because it's a multiple choice. So by the time you got into this step, you can already knew that this is no, right? So this is 3x minus 2. This is yes, and then this is no. It's going to be 9x squared minus 6x plus 4.
I know.
All right, last one. Do no more.
I'm right.
Not only matter to you, but to school, matter to the a lot. So that's why I review for you. Don't worry.
Once you read,
I'm gonna blow it. I'm gonna blow it.
Yeah.
Just people please. It was good. You're in
I'm not doing trash.
Are you serious?
Oh my god.
No. No, yes.
I got the last one. What I got? Yes, no, one. Because the first one is. Are you serious?
No, yeah.
I was doing the I was doing
Nice to meet.
Oh, there's a four. The four question. You answer three. The four question. Yours answer only had three. You're missing one.
I'm getting there. I'm getting
Okay,
there.
all right. I don't know. I don't know.
What? For the first one.
What?
No, I got
For the history? It's
It's
hard. I didn't do anything. What? I said FC.
I'm more risky.
All right, raise the board. No. It is hard. Raise the board. Keep it up. I get your point. Keep it up. Let me see. I cannot see.
Can you please be nicer?
Carlos, cannot see. All right, so you can put it down. All right, you can put it down too. All right, you can put it down too. What the order? Okay, put it down too. What are your answer? What are yours? I cannot see. No, and what? You know yes, so put it down too. All right, Natalie, let's go. Okay, so Gary, Sabrina, and Kayla. That's it. It It actually no, no, yes, yes. Oh, you know the song? No, no, yes, yes, no, no. You know the song? No limits. That's very old song. Okay. I think you all got the first one is no, right? Remember, you cannot distribute the power. Okay. You cannot do this.
No foil.
You need to do foil. You need to do foil. Yeah. Yes. That's what you can. Yes. All right. Second one. Yes or no? Because you need to work with the power first. You cannot distribute it. If you want this one to become like this, you think about, oh, I'm gonna distribute the 8. No, you cannot do that. Okay. So this one, so no. A lot of you got this one, yes. Okay, why? So there are two ways, okay? Way one is you see that there's a GCF. What is GCF? Yeah, so what is GCF here? 8. Right, but what is GCF here? 8. Right? So that's x cubed minus 4 minus 2. Wait, it's 8, my bad. It's 2 cubed. Okay, so it's gonna be x minus 2, x squared plus 2x plus 4. All right, so that's the answer. What it is? Yes. All right, keep it down. One last one. Okay. Why there's 2 yes right here? Why there are 2 yes right here? We're gonna explain to you. There are 2 ways. One way is you're gonna convert the whole thing into the cube. So 2x cubed minus 4 cubed. So that becomes 2x minus 4 squared, opposite side, multiply together, ax. This is always plus. 4 squared 16. Okay. Another way is you take out the GCF. If you take out the GCF, you're gonna see 8 can be out. You have x cubed minus 8. So that also yes right here. Yeah, it's right. Okay. All right. So your homework going to be